Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a brand kit on Canva. So you can go to text in your Canva project, and then over here you should find brand kit. We can click edit over here in order to open this window, and here you can start uploading your stuff, your own brand kit. So for instance, over here you have logos. You can click on add new in order to upload your logo, or you can add guidelines, you can add colors, so you can add your own palette if needed. You can also use a pre-selected one. So over here we have the deep blue. You can also add your own fonts by clicking add new. You can either add a text style, which will be displayed over here, or you can upload a font using this option over here, and then you can choose your file to upload. And furthermore, we also have these text styles. So we have title, subtitle. Of course, everything can be adjusted. You can click on the pen icon in order to change the name, change, for instance, the title into something else. You can choose a font over here. You can set the function of the text style, and of course you can also adjust the size, I believe. Let's try it out. Yeah, if we choose a different font, then we can also change the size of the font, like so. We can make it bold, we can make it italic as well. And once we are done with our changes, then we can save it over here, or we can discard our changes if we don't want them, or we can even delete the custom text style. However, I'm gonna keep this one. And of course, below that you can also add a brand voice over here to help your team stay on brand when using Magic Write. But we can also add photos, graphics, and icons. So we can click these buttons in order to upload these elements onto your brand kit. And then once you add everything, you can simply close it, and then you should be able to have them stored on your Canva profile. So for instance, since I added a title, a text style for the title with a new font, etc., as you can see, I have it under the brand kit over here. And if I click on it, then I can easily add it to my project. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.